In this video, we will see how to sum a column in Excel Mac. It's very easy. There are two methods. In the first method, what you can do is just click at the last cell after the number and press equal to on your keyboard. Now click on the cell containing the number, type plus, and then click on the next cell until you reach the last cell and then press enter. So this is one method. The other method is select all the numbers and a last blank cell. Under the home tab, you will see here the option of auto sum. Just click on this option to sum the numbers in the column. If you have multiple columns like this, you can simply click on the cell containing the formula and then drag it through the end like this, and the formula will be automatically applied. In this way, you can sum a column in Excel on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.